guys, I got a slime kit. Let's open it. Wow! Look at all of this, guys. Oh, look. Some beads. Oh, the spoon. What is this? It's like some slime or something. I don't know what that is. Wow, look at these sparkles. Look at these ones. Just these. Oh, look at these. Those are cool. Look at these ones. They have stars.
Whoa.
Oh, look. Another. And then this. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, look. Here's the slime glue for it. Here. Ow! These are the things to dye it. I think I'm going to dye it pink and blue. I don't know yet. I'm so excited. And then the measuring cup. Little more cups. The bowl. They're so tiny. Okay, what else? What is this?
I get some coffee. If you want. I'm Matt.
There's like clay. I think this is clay to put in your slime. I don't know. Wow, look at these charms. Look. Look at these charms. They're so cool. What is this? The activator. Oh yeah, we need that. Okay, what else? What else? And then some lids. Okay. I think that's for you to put your slime with. Okay, let me just put all this stuff away. Okay. I can't believe I got it. Okay, guys, that's all I wanted to show you. Slime.
Just have a couple things. Okay.
Bye, y'all.
I think I was just waiting.
Bye.
Okay, so tonight, you're